wa sakramenti na wa mapendo kwa njia ya Kristo Bwana wetu.
Kebo hubolia vyo na soki netina hau. Makofi. Newe na banewe. Sulanya hii.
Nie Edwin Gatangiwa wa igoro nidagwitikira we Margaret Wajira wa Githoi otuike mutumia wakwa kuma umuthi. Nidakwirira ati nindeikaraga gwihokete o wiki kuri kwega kana kuri kuru, kuri utonga kana kuri uthini, kuri murimo kana gutari, we mukuru kana we mwethi, na gwendage na ngutiage matuko mothe ma uturo wakwa.
Pigia makofi.
Etuike ruri rwa uria ndikwendaga na ndikwihokaga na ritwa ria Ithe na ria Mwana na ria Muoyo Mutheru na utuikagwo.
Anga mutiranga maundu maya.
Rwa uria ndikwendaga na uria ndikwihokaga na ritwa ria Ithe na ria Mwana na ria Muoyo Mutheru na gutuikagwo.
So in that on that I want to thank my dear lovely wife for accepting to come and be used also by God, so that we can show the world that it is possible for somebody to serve God and have a family and have a lovely wife. Because God did not make a mistake when he created a man and a woman, and he said it is not good for somebody to be alone. So I believe today we have accomplished the commandment of God that we may be together. So my lovely wife, asante sana. I promise to love you, and I know you are going to support this work so that we may continue. To priesthood, as I have said, it was long from 2003, and I joined the Roman Catholic Church. So the formation, going for spirituality in Molo, for philosophy in Bungoma Mabanga, and theology in St. Mathias Mulumba in Tindinho. That's where I graduated as a Roman journey to priesthood. And then later I joined also Roman missionaries, the Dominican missionaries for the deaf, and that's when I went to the US to serve the deaf in the US. And the superior or the founder of the congregation found it worthy to send me to Haiti to go and start that mission. So I was used also as a missionary to go and evangelize a new land in Haiti. And I'm also so grateful that the world has seen it worthy to send Kenya to go and help that country. So I feel that this is God doing. It's not yes. Yes. Later is when I came back to Kenya, and I met Bishop Patrick Moringe. We have journeyed together. We have a big congregation, especially in Kirinyaga. We have almost 11 churches, and then we have several churches here around. In Kirigiti, we have a priest, my friend Father Boniface, and I'm also having a prayer center in Keiria, Githuguri. And very soon we are going to have to start a prayer center in Kiambu town.
thabiti na wa mapendo kwa njia ya Kristo Bwana wetu.
Kebo hubolia vyo na soki netina hau. Makofi. Newe na manewe. Sulalia hii.
Niĩ Edwin Gatangi wa igũrũ nĩndagwĩtĩkĩra we Margaret Wanjĩra wa Gĩthũi ũtuĩke mũtumia wakwa kuma ũmũthĩ. Nĩndakwĩrĩra atĩ nĩndĩikaraga ngwĩhokete o wiki, kũrĩ kwega kana kũrĩ kũũru, kũrĩ ũtonga kana kũrĩ ũthĩni, kũrĩ mũrimũ kana gũtarĩ, wĩ mũkũrũ kana wĩ mwĩthĩ, na ngwendage na ngũtĩage matukũ mothe ma ũtũũro wakwa.
Mpigie makofi.
Ĩtuĩke rũũri rwa ũrĩa ndĩkwendaga na ndĩkwĩhokaga, na rĩtwa rĩa Ithe na rĩa Mwana na rĩa Muoyo Mũtheru na ũtuĩke guo.
Anga mũtiraga maũndũ maya.
Rwa ũrĩa ndĩrĩkwendaga na ũrĩa ndĩrĩkwĩhokaga, na rĩtwa rĩa Ithe na rĩa Mwana na rĩa Muoyo Mũtheru nĩ gũtuĩke guo.
Wapigie makofi.